Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Navid Hussaini. I'm back with another text effects. It's a free one, which you guys have been loving it for a long time. And so we're here to show you a tutorial video with this text effect that you can use it like freely. I have to tell you this, that actually you can get a lot of other free text effects and premium text effects that you can use them in your personal and commercial projects, and it will give you a boost in quality. Okay, look at this text style. It's free, very easy to use. You will see. You can apply this to your text and to your logo. Right click on the yellow layer and select edit content, and in the new window, two text layers, very easy to edit. Just double click on them. For example, this one here. And I'm gonna close the window. All you gotta do is, you can change the font actually, but all you gotta do is close the window and press yes. There it is. As you can see, very easily applied to our text. It didn't take like more than 30 seconds, right? Okay. If you want to design this, actually take you hours. I guarantee you that. But here you can do that in just one click. Okay, let me show you how the other layers works. We got two text layers here. You can remove them. Some of our viewers thinks that this is our copyright, but no, actually, this is just for the visual design, and you can like remove this, change this, type your own company, no limit, and so it's just for the beauty of the work. But you can't sell this, but you can use it wherever you want. Okay, and we got a style folder here that contains the base, which contains the technical part of our design. Just skip that one. But from the colors, from the inner glow, you will get into this. You can control on this purple here. You can change that purpley things here. It's totally up to you. From here, you can change the opacity actually. Okay, and we got lights here, which contains the background color. From the color overlay, you can give this your own color. It's two color layers that you can do the same. As you can see here, there is this one is a little bit subtle. Okay, you can actually get this in transparent too. Turn off light and background layer, and there it is, your PNG transparent logo. You can actually apply this to your logo. Let me show you how. Do the same thing. Right click on the yellow layer and select edit content, and in the new window, import your logo here and drop it in your window. I don't need these two text layers. I'm gonna close it and select yes. There it is, beautifully applied to this Honda logo, which is amazing, as you can see here. I'm gonna turn off these two text layers. And okay, from the colors and the inner glow, we can like change a little bit these purpley things here on our design. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net, and from our freebies you can download this and tons of other text effects. The link is in the description. Click on it and you can get a lot of professional text effects, and you can have access to all of our text effects, and actually you can get our updates for a year if you get our yearly plan, and everything will be free and you can use them in your projects. Okay, thanks for watching this one. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the ring.